Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some cake art. If you really want to check out some cool cake art that is painted, check out Wayne Thibault. He is a really great American artist that did a lot of different dessert art and cake art. So let's get started. Getting started, I got my pencil, and first thing is I'm always going to write my name. And then I am going to write several cakes. I'm going to start off with the basic shape though. And that is starting off with an oval. And then coming down from the side of my ovals is coming right down from the side to make that edge of the cake. And from that, then you can come back and you're gonna make the same curved line that's at the top towards the bottom as best as you can. So that would make a simple cake. And to making a plate or a stand, you can make a cake shape top kind of, but then we're gonna go back. I'm gonna make it more like a thin plate. And then if I want it to be even a little bit more like it has a stand, I can make it so it comes down off of the sides and kind of curves out. So there's kind of the basic shape to making a cake. There's one other thing I want to kind of teach you right away. And remember, if I'm going too fast at any point here, for the first part, you can always stop, pause, and continue. If I want a slice of my cake being removed, I'm going to go in with a triangle shape. And I'm going to do that same shape right below it. So I come down here, I'm going to go in and out. And then I'm going to connect back with a line that goes down, a line that goes down here, and a line that goes down here. Now, if I totally want to remove so I don't have any of this line left, like it was just the trace of the cake, I can erase that line and this line, and now it's going to look like my cake is going back. Then I can start to add some decorations, and I will add more cakes in, but I'm just going to show you some simple things. Like if I'm going to make my frosting line, I'm going to use kind of that same angled line to go back. And that's going to create my angle. If I even want a little bit of frosting on the end here, I could even have a line that comes down from the edge here. And sometimes frosting is not straight, so it does not have to be a perfectly straight line. I just don't want it as thick because I had made it, so I'm back and adjust it. Then I can decorate my top. I could add different shapes, or I could add some different frosting onto it. And I could definitely make some different kinds of designs. So that's the first start of my cake. Now I'm going to add some other background details. I'm going to fast forward that part. Remember, if you ever need to, you can slow down and pause, but this is the basics of making a cake. Yeah, I hope you have a great time creating a cake art. Now, once I have my planned out drawing, and I'm just going to trace on the ones that I want to be bold.